Hello and welcome back. Today let's see how to match documents and designs on Canva. I have two designs and I want to match them. There are two ways how to do that. The first way, we can save our design in the folder. If we are free account, we could have unlimited folders. Go to the top menu, click File, Save to folder. We can create new and add to new folder. Now I am opening second design and I want to insert the first design. Let's add a new page and let's go to the left side menu, click three dots, folders, and pick our folder. Here it is. And now we see our design. We can click on the page and here you go. So here was the first way. The second way is when we are in our design, we can select all, click Ctrl+C or right button and click copy. Then go to other design, add a page and click Ctrl+V or right button and paste. And here you go. I hope you like this tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check my extensive Canva master course on udemy.com. See you next time.